In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a property in Notion. Whether you're trying to tidy up your workspace or simply streamline a database, knowing how to efficiently remove unnecessary properties can be a fantastic way to keep things organized. Let's dive right in and explore this process in depth. Begin by navigating to your Notion workspace and opening the specific database where the property you want to delete is located. If you're not familiar with properties, they are essentially columns in your database tables, used to store various types of data like text, numbers, checkboxes, and more. They play a crucial role in how you organize and visualize information, so it's important to manage them effectively. Now, once you're in your database, you'll want to identify the exact property you intend to remove. Hover your cursor over the column that corresponds to this property. You should notice a small arrow, or in some cases, the property name itself becoming highlighted or showing a drop-down menu indicator. This is your starting point for editing. Next, if you see the name of the property or a drop-down arrow next to it, give it a click. You'll be presented with a few options related to that specific property. From these options, you might see something like Edit Property, which you can select. However, it's important to note that this option may not always be available, depending on how the database is configured and what permissions you currently have. Not seeing the Edit Property option shouldn't alarm you, as some properties might be directly editable without needing this step. Once you manage to access the property settings, your next move is to find the command labeled Delete Property. Click on this option. Now, this is a pivotal step, and it's worth pausing for just a second here. Deleting a property is irreversible, which means once it's gone, any data stored in that column will be permanently removed. Make sure you're confident about this decision, or perhaps back up the data if it's something you might need later. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm that you really want to delete the property. This is simply Notion's way of making sure you're absolutely certain about this action. Confirm the deletion, and with that, the property will be removed from your database. By following these steps, you've successfully cleared up your table, helping to enhance the database's usability and focus. Remember that maintaining a clutter-free digital workspace can significantly contribute to increased productivity and efficiency. I hope this guide has been helpful for you today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.